Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys the combination for your spell wallet in order for you to get 1 mana. Guys, we are doing this every day, and imagine in 30 days we'll be getting 30 mana. Nobody knows what is going to be what in the future, but accumulating this right now is going to help you to get more allocation when this project actually does their airdrop. Okay, let's go straight into it, guys. Once you're in the app, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and claim your mana. Go ahead and just claim it, because if you don't claim it right now, you might probably forget to do that within the day. And mind you, this you can claim this thing actually every I think every 4 hours. Okay, so just try to come back after 4 hours and just claim it. Let's go straight into the daily combo for the spell wallet. Click on this padlock icon just at the top right corner beside the settings icon, and let's go ahead and just impute this right now. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, if you're not playing this game right now, by the way, go check out the description. There's a link for you to join this right now. All right, so let's just go straight into it. So the first emoji, because this is based off emoji, the picture might be looking a little bit different, like in the case of iPhone and Android users, but it's still the same emoji. So the first emoji is going to be the lightning bolt. So just tap on it, tap on it. The second emoji is going to be the wizard or the witch, which is going to be this one here. Click on it. The third emoji is going to be the moon face, okay, the moon face, this one here. Click on it. And finally, the combination for the last one is going to be the magic wand, or you can say the magic stick or whatever. Just know it's going to be this one here. Click on it, and you can see we actually got successfully, it's successful. We got 1 mana. Claim your reward, and then go ahead and move over to the next task, which is going to be probably clicking on the quest icon. If you have some of these daily tasks you haven't done, if you the welcome quest, make sure you do that. You can go ahead and just invite some of your friends, and you'll be getting more of the allocation to yourself. You can go ahead and upgrade your mining pool. Like for instance, in the first one here, the magic and booster, I'm going to walk you guys through this. Just pay attention. Actually, right now I am actually at level 2. If I pay 10 mana, I'm actually going to get level 2 of this, and the capacity is going to be 1 mana capacity. Then the booster is quite different. The booster is going to be how much, like the speed, which is going to be this here, just right here. This is going to be how fast is going to be giving you this per minute. Okay, so if you upgrade it right now, you cannot upgrade to a higher one. It's going to be accordingly. Like you cannot leave this level 3 and upgrade to level 4. You have to go accordingly. So if I spend 20 mana, I'll be getting this, and instead of getting 0.00208 per minute, I'll be getting 0.00. You can just look at it now. There is an increase. Okay, there's an increase. You can go ahead and just do this to get more allocation, and then accumulate more of this. Okay, see you guys in the next one. I think that's so much information already. Peace out.